This is a GM 12 bolt out of a 1978 K5 Blazer. And today we're going to install the LEED brakes rear disc brake conversion kit for C10s. Now I will tell you, you do not need to pull the rear differential out of your truck to get this conversion kit installed. LEED Brakes provides detailed instructions for how to do this job with the rear end still in the truck. In my case, it's a project truck, so we pulled the rear differential out anyway. Plus, it'll be easier to show you how to do the install. Let's get to work. Well, there you have it. That's how you install the LEED Brakes rear disc brake conversion kit for C10s. They also include provisions for weld-on brake line tabs, brake line locks, and a couple of sections of stainless steel brake line. To get the full details on a conversion kit for your square body truck, go to leedbrakes.com. We'll see you real soon.